lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Oracle 23 AI on VirtualBox. So first here in Google search box, write there Oracle 23 AI download. Then you can go on this oracle.com site and thereafter click on this get started. And if you scroll down here, you can see Oracle 23 AI that's available for Docker, VirtualBox here, Oracle Linux 8, 9 and others. Okay, so this lecture about to install this on VirtualBox, so that clicking this link, and this link I will paste in the description. From there you can easily download this file. So now you can see Oracle Database 20. So now you can see Oracle Database 23 AI free developer OVA. The file is now downloading. The size is 5.7 GB. Database 23 AI free developer OVA, that's download completed. And here you can see Oracle VM VirtualBox already in my system. So first you need to download and install the Oracle VM VirtualBox. After that, the next is let's click there. Here, let's click on this open folder. Now the next is you need to double click on this Oracle virtual or this file. Double click there. Then automatically this option that's come there, import virtual appliance, and this all you can see there. Okay, and this is your Oracle 23 I. This is from oracle.com site, and this version is there. So after that, simply you need to click on this finish and click on this agree. And now you can see this place importing appliance. So this is here, you need to wait till 100%. Database 23 AI free developer. So appliance that has been turned. After that, here you can see Oracle Database 23 free developer that's come there. Simply you need to right click and then start. Click on this normal start. So simply you need to here, and this place you can see powering VM and this all, and there Oracle Database 23 AI that's come there, and this is now. So the next is let's close this one, and here you can see this Oracle 23 AI that is installing inside Oracle VM VirtualBox. Now this page that's open there, and if I scroll down, here you can see this all those things that's come there. Okay, so what we need to do the next, Let's here full screen, and this is now in the full screen. After that, simply you need to go on this, or simply you need to click this, then the new page that's open. So from here you can connect this SQL Developer Web and here, or if you want, then here let's open Oracle SQL Developer. So let's click there, and here you can see you can connect with here Oracle SID free, and free DP1 is there. So the next is let's give here username and the password and press enter. If you want, then you can save it. So this is now connected with the Oracle SQL Developer. So this is currently processing now. This is now connected. And here let's click on this open, and this is here navigator. Wow. And this option that's come there, let's click on this close. Simply you can see this is here HR connected with, and this all tables that's perfect there. After that you can perform any kind of query operation this places. So let's use here select a star from. So selecting here employees. Now to run this query, or you can run any kind of query, you can see employees or table record. This will display there. So currently this is processing. Now you can see employees record that's displayed. After that you can perform any kind of operation this places. So this is how we can here install. So this is how we can install Oracle 23 AI on VirtualBox. So I hope guys this video is the helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.